Welcome to Gilbert with fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. My name is Marcus Gilbert, founder and breeder of Gilbert, and today I'm talking about the size of kaki plants. So because we are selling more and more kaki plants, we are producing them in a 5-liter container. So we are starting to produce them from ground up. And so we have this quality now on our web shop, 5-liter kaki plants. They have a size of about 70, 80 centimeters height. Of course in the winter without leaves, now with leaves. And the advantage of these smaller plants in a 5-liter container, not small but a little bit smaller plants in the 5-liter containers, is that they have a less shock when they are planted in your garden. And as a result of it, they will have a better growth in the first and second year in your garden, and they will have fruits in the second or third year. Sometimes even on these 1-year-old plants, out of season, we have some blooms. In the summer of this year, we had some blooms on this type of plants, especially on the variety Nikita's Gift and Prairie Dawn, and so that's a sign that they are feeling very well in these 5-liter containers. And when you have no plant shock when you are replanting them, they will also have a shorter juvenile period, and they will have fruits in the second and third year. So many reasons to plant a kaki plant in a 5-liter pot.
Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Gilbert.com UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.